Good morning guys, it's me again. So today I'm gonna cook or make corned beef hash with cheese. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have cheese, potatoes, corned beef, garlic, onions. I put a little oil only because the corned beef is oily. Okay, so saute the garlic. And then the onions. We're gonna do the potatoes first because it's hard, okay? I'm gonna try to cook the potato first before I put the corned beef. So the potatoes are cooked, so we're gonna add a corned beef. Okay. See, there's an oil of the corned beef. Okay, I did not put so much oil. Okay, and then we're gonna cover first for maybe 2 minutes so that the sauce of the corned beef will absorb in the potatoes. Okay guys, so I'm sure that the corned beef it's already absorbed into the potatoes. So now I'm gonna add cheese. Look at that one, guys. There's a cheese. So I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna put this one all. Okay. So I did not put salt because the cheese is a melting cheese, with milk cheese, and then there's salt already. So there's no need of putting salt. So look at our corned beef hash with cheese, guys. It's yummy. And now I'm gonna garnish with green onions. Okay guys, so that's our, I'm gonna off the fire, and then so this is it guys, our hash with corned beef hash with cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it. And then a corned beef also. Okay. Okay, guys, it's yummy. Yes, that's good. It's very simple. It's yummy. Okay, guys. So that's our corned beef hash with cheese. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack. To my Instagram, D_Bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.